Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Mix all dry ingredients. Now sift the flour. Add the desiccated coconut. Then add sugar. Mix everything using the spatula. Then add milk. You can use soy or full cream milk. Then mix everything. Then, pour the batter into the pan and let it sit for 1 minute. Bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Do not remove it from the pan immediately. You may now slice and serve. Enjoy!